Hello everyone, welcome to Lady B Gardening. Today I'm going to show you how to make comfrey tea, and some people call it comfrey fertilizer. It's pretty easy. Let me just show you quickly how you're going to make it. So you cut these are comfrey leaves, as you can see them close up. I've got them going everywhere over there too. These things, they grow really wide, so be careful when you're growing them. They tend to spread so easily. So how do you make your comfrey tea? It's pretty easy. Just cut what you need. I'm going to trim down some of these leaves because they're just everywhere. I'm going to get them. And once you get what you need, which it looks like that, what you do is you have a bucket, which is here, and you're going to cut them into pieces. If you don't want to use a knife, you can use one of the shovels to shove them down into pieces on the ground, but I'm just cutting them into pieces. Chop them up into pieces. The way you chop your vegetables, you can chop them like that. And once you've done that, once you chop it into pieces, they will look like this. And what do? You just add water to it. So I'm going to add rainwater, which is pretty easy. If you don't have rainwater, you can add ordinary water, but I just like to use rainwater because it's pretty easy. It will look like this. Let's bring it close. Yep. And what you do is you cover your container. When you cover your container, your comfrey fertilizer should be ready in 2 weeks. Ideally, I leave mine for 4 weeks. Sorry, I leave mine for 4 weeks, but ideally it should be ready from 2 weeks onward. But this thing is going to smell, so just be aware. But that's how to make your organic fertilizer. Pretty easy. Have a blessed day. Take care. God bless. Bye.